I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Have you got a cluttered garage? Well, you can see that after we built the wheeling workbench, we've still got some clutter to deal with. So I went out and bought the Berkley Jensen 6-shelf storage rack with casters at our local BJ's. We're going to assemble it right now. Let's dive in. So spacers for shipping. You can discard those. Step one is assemble the poles. They label top pole and bottom pole. We're going to use the casters, so we're going to take off the leveler. The casters, 2 are locking and 2 are non-locking. Now that we have the casters on the bottom pole, let's assemble the top pole to the bottom pole. Now that we got the poles assembled, it's time to snap on the plastic tapered locks. They are labeled how they snap together. I'll say top. You can actually see the groove where the lock is going to ride in the groove on the poles. Identify where you want the bottom shelf. Snap them and then slide them into position. I'll show you that again. It's too fat there, but when you slide down, that's the right spot. You'll notice there's a taper on each of these that line up with the taper on the shelf lock, like so. Identify your next shelf, and so on. We're going to have some big space for larger items, heavier items like tubs. Quick tip, the manufacturer Berkley Jensen provides you extra pieces parts. Get you a Ziploc bag and some tape. Put all the extra pieces parts in a Ziploc bag. Tape it to the back of the shelf.
Well, that looks much better. We even have some room for some workout gear that we'll be demonstrating assembly on in an upcoming episode. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click like and subscribe if this has been helpful.